How to add and connect your Gmail account with your Outlook, very easy and fast. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go to your Microsoft Outlook app. This is the home page as you can see. Now go to the top corner, click on your profile from here. Click on the settings option down here. And it will take you to this page. Right here you will find many options. All what you have to do is simple. Click on add mail account. Now click on add an email account, and here you can add your Google account very easy and fast as you can see. After you add your Gmail account from here, it will be automatically connected with your Outlook. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end.